A short video of the CG120, 13 foot in length, 4 foot wide. Has two cooking racks which are 6 foot long and 3.5 foot wide. Has two warming racks above it which are 6 foot long and 2.5 foot wide. Below the cooking racks are 4 charcoal grates which are removable. There's 2 on each side. You access the charcoal by sliding the cooking rack from side to side. Has 4 split doors, total of 8 doors. Also has 2 doors, one on each end for accessing the bottom of the unit for clean out. Also has 2 vents in them doors and 2 more vents on the sides for airflow. Has 2 stacks, one on each end, 6-inch square, 30 inches high. Has a 2-inch ball coupler and a tongue jack. Sitting on 2 3,500-pound axles with 15-inch wheels, 2-inch tubular frame. These cooking racks are heavy duty. They're also made out of 2-inch square. Not like your normal 1-inch square tubing that you see on most grills. We'll do a quick walk around. These racks are heavy duty. They're made out of 2-inch square tubing, as you can see. You could push that rack to one side, you can access the bottom. The charcoal grates are in the bottom. Also has a divider door here that can be removed to make it all one big unit, or you can close it off and just use one side. Also has another rack at the top. All these racks are removable. You can cook on that top rack, or you can use it as a warming rack. This grill was designed to cook whole hogs, lamb, goat, whole lot of chicken and ribs. Has a full length counter. It's the vent door on the end, triple tongue. You can access the charcoal from either side depending which way you slide the racks. There's a removable door to make it all one unit. Running lights. Another access door on this rear end. This unit here is going to a church in Massachusetts. It's great for churches, organizations, sporting teams, catering, family reunions. Do your cooking all at one time. If you like one of these units, please contact me at mlj963@gmail.com. Custom build you one of these. A great price. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.